Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's see the title of our project. Our project title is Radiation Signal Detector using Android. Let's see the abstract of our project. The combination of GSM and GPS devices and the GSM transceiver provider uses with a trunky system for the monitoring of radiations over wider area. The GPS and retrieve measurements about the GPS signals, the alarm status and the other data through the GSM network. The GSM that is used to calculate the radiation signals. Also we are using a GPS signals to calculate radiation signals. Let's see the data flow diagram of this project. Let's see the data flow diagram of this project. First this starting page, after that home page. The home page that contains the different modules. First one is display strength modules, another one pre-control settings. Next module is using only GSM to find radiation signals. The last one is invite friends. After the display the signal strength, this module that is used to display the radiation signals using the GPS. So in the pre-control settings, these settings for control the radiation. For example, if the radiation level is high, the calls cannot be connected to your mobile phone. So next module is using only GSM module. This module is used to also find the radiation signals, to find the radiation signals. So last module is the invite friends. This module that is used to invite the others to use this application. So for this data flow diagram, we are using a SQL database to store the radiation data. After that we are calculating these data. So let's see the demo of this project. This is the home page of our application. The first module is display signal strength module. Next one is pre-control settings module. The last one is signal module. The other one is invite friends. The display signal strength module that is used to display the radiation signals levels, also to find the radiation signals that is emitted by the satellites. So in the pre-control settings that is used to avoid phone calls during when radiation level is high. The invite friends button that is used to send the invite to the other friends to use this application. Signal, this module is used to find the radiation levels only using the GSM signals, because GSM is also have a technology for finding the radio signals. For example, first clicking the display signal strength. After clicking the display signal strength, the log description will be enter the anyone details. So for example, today date. So after the enter the log description, click start tracking. After click start tracking, the radiation signal tracking is active. So the signal radiation levels are displayed in this status, below the status. So we cannot see the radiation level because we are in a emulator. So after the completion of to finding the radiation signals, so click stop track. After stop tracking, the radiation signals are stored in the log description. So after that we want to view this description, simply load the today file. So after that pre-control setting, to click this pre-control settings, the pre-control page will be open. In this module that is used to no calls when radiation level is increased. To enable this feature, tick this enable black. After enabling, the call has been avoided when the radiation level is high. So after that, the number of black calls, this display the how many calls flagged from this application. So please note that any call arises when a radiation level is high, that will be considered a danger call. So after that, invite friends. This module that is used to invite the others to use this application. First one is email address. Click the other's email address. For example, so subject radiation, your message, so invite friends. So searching the mailbox, after that in this mail automatically send to your friends. So click back to this. After that, last module is signal button. The signal module that is used to simply track the radiation signals using a GSM signal. So if you want to track the radiation signals using the GSM signals, please press this signal button. After clicking the signal button, the page will be opened. The page that contains the radiation levels that is calculated from the dB and CDMA. So this is the RSSI level minus 95 TTM. These are the test values that sent through the DDMS through the emulator. So GSM signal strength level is 7. GSM bit error rate 99. CDMA RSSI. So this module that's mainly used for to transfer the radiation signals. So after that, the inviting module button, this button that used to also invite the friends, that is connected to the previous invite button. So after calculating the radiation signal, the radiation levels are stored in the log description. So if you want to previous analyze of the radiation levels, you simply click the log description. So in the radiation tracking application that is mainly used to tracking the radiation signals when using the GPS or GSM signals.